Executive, size and views. Welcome to the auction of 7 Coolum View Terrace on Buderim.
The food's arriving, the cocktails are being mixed, the music's at the ready. Can't wait to launch this one. It's game day.
Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, to our registered bidders, we'd like to wish you all the very best of luck. Get everyone's attention. Folks, inside the next minute or so, we'll get started. 1,850,000 is the offer at 18 and 50 for views like this. 1,850,000. $1,860,000. 755 square metres. Substantial home. Hard to replicate. Very, very difficult to replicate. Good stuff. We sell it away at $2 million. Once, twice. Final call. Selling. Sold to you. Or what? Congratulations. On behalf of the team at Nicol & Young, thanks for coming, ladies and gentlemen.
We were looking for a real estate agent and we were recommended by a financial advisor that Dad had been dealing with for a while. So that's where we engaged Jared and the team from Nicol & Young.